a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was a unit that I caught with my own coins. Shout out to me, go Chrissy, go Chrissy. This unit is by DizastrousBeauty and it is in the style Passion Twist V16. Now if you're interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this is another unit that I caught with my own coins, but before we get into that, I want to give a subscriber shout out. I have been doing these lately just to show my appreciation and how much I appreciate you guys for just like showing love, being there for me, all of that good stuff. So the person I want to give a shout out to in this particular video is Blackberry Rose 122. Shout out to you, boo. I see you in the comments, honey. You always showing me love. I really do appreciate you. You never miss a video, honey. I just want you to know I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now we can get into this video. Okay, so this is yet another unit that I caught with my own coins. Shout out to me for copping another unit with my own coins, honey. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is the Passion Twist style. This unit is by DizastrousBeauty. It says 4x5 free part unit knotless braided wig. It says Diva Lace Passion Twist, and I do have it in the color 1. I was looking for a 1B or a 2, but I don't think it was available. I don't know why I didn't get a 1B, but it had to not have been available for me to go for a 1. I usually don't go for the 1s, honey. That's a little bit too dark for your girl, but it had to been a case of that was all available or something like that. So this is what it looks like on the stock card. And on the back, this is what it looks like. And this is it, honey. It don't have a whole lot of details and specs, but I guess maybe it's one of those things where it feels like it's self-explanatory, child. I don't know. But they do have on here 4x5 free part. So they have right there, you know, kind of just showing you guys the fact that it's a free part unit. And on the back, it basically shows the same thing. So the 4x5 is you're literally getting from here to here. This is it. So if you want to, you can kind of do like a little ponytail type style. You can change it to the left, you can wear it in the middle, or you can wear it to the side, kind of like I'm wearing mine. You do have a little bit of room to kind of do what you want to do with this unit. So that's what that is. It's not a whole lot of room, but you do have a little bit of wiggle room. So just keep that in mind. And the lace is literally like from here to here. So it's not a whole lot of lace, which in my opinion is a good thing. That just kind of depends on you. Depends on what you're looking for. But for me, I like that because it's not like a whole lot of work. Obviously with these type of units, there's no shedding, there's no tangling, there's none of that stuff, girl. Okay, this is it. No Michael Jackson, like I mean, it's like a twist unit. Now, in my opinion, these type of wigs have, you know, they last the longest because of the style of it. So because it's this type of wig, like they just last longer because, honey, that's it. Like, you know, it's not nothing to shed or tangle or any of that stuff. So with these type of wigs, they last me a really, really long time. Like I always tell you guys, I'm a little, I give wigs a hard time. So with these type of wigs, they last the longest for me. Now, this wig, in my opinion, is very, 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 very big head friendly. That is just my opinion. I consider this wig very big head friendly because when I adjusted the straps a little bit, honey, that wasn't enough. Like it was, my head was still swimming. And I do have an average cap size. I don't wear a small cap size. I wear an average cap size. So when my head is swimming in something, to me, that means it's very, very big head friendly. So I just want you guys to bear that in mind. That is my opinion. I can only speak for the average size head people because that's what I have. I do feel like this wig is big head friendly, but honey, you know your head, you know what you can wear. You can go for what you know. And yeah, that is basically it. Now, obviously, I don't have to do a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So if you are interested in how I feel about this unit as well as the full 360, then please continue. Okay, y'all. So let me be honest. I don't love or hate this wig. I'm a little indifferent with this particular unit. I think I expected more, and because I did, that's kind of why I'm sort of let down with it. I thought it would look better than what it looks. Like, I don't love the wig in general. I don't hate it. Like, I'm not like completely against the wig either. I just don't love it the way that I thought that I would. I don't know why. I don't know. It's just not giving what I wanted it to give. You know what I mean? Like, like I said, I don't hate it. It's just, I'm just really indifferent with this wig. I just expected a little bit more, but I'm not really just mad at it either. So I don't know, honey. Do with that what you want to do with it. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I feel like I keep looking at it. I think I want it to be maybe fuller. I don't like big hair. I know that sounds crazy because I always do videos. I'm saying I don't like big hair. I don't like hair my way. But I don't like for my hair to be flat either because I have a very full face and I don't like really flat hair. So I like for hair like this side, I would like for it to be more there, and it's just not. And I think that's what's throwing me off. Maybe it looks better in middle part, but old girl is wearing hers on the side part as well. And I think it looks good on the model. I feel like it looks more wiggy than I want it to. And I do have a longer one from this collection that I really like. So I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Like, let me know down below what you think. You guys know I don't care, honey. I ain't made the wig, so I don't have any personal attachment to them. So let me know down below what you think. But yeah, I don't love or hate the wig. Like, I'm gonna wear it today, like, with no problem. I also don't like the fact that the lace is a little too dark. That is always an issue for me. I'm not the lightest person in the world, so sometimes when lace is a little too dark, I'm like, oh, girl. Like, you could have put it sort of like middle ground where it's not too dark. It can be a little dark, but this lace is very, very, very dark. So I want you guys to be mindful of that. If you're my shade or even maybe a shade darker than me, the lace is gonna be too dark for you. It's just like one of those wigs. So yeah, I did not do the ball cap method with this wig. I literally have, and you probably can see, I don't know. Yeah, there it is. There go the cap right there. You can see it. And so I didn't do the ball cap method with this wig because honestly, I'm not feeling great and I was lazy. Like, let me just be honest, okay? But you could do the ball cap method and maybe that'll help with the dark lace some. I don't know. But the lace is definitely way too dark in my opinion. And yeah, if you have this wig, let me know what you think of it. Do you love it? Is it a certain thing that I need to do to make it better? Let me know down below in the comments. Like, I really want to know, like, look at this. This right here, you see that? That is big lip problem. Okay, I'm gonna start a series with problems that I have. This is the big lip problem. I need to write that down. Big bottom lip problem. That happens to me all the time. I'm not editing that out. But anyways, y'all, so let me know. We help each other on this channel. We're a family. Like, I'm nobody's expert. We're a family. Okay, so let me know if it's just me, if it's something better I can do with the unit. Let me know down below. But yeah, y'all, that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This skirt. Y'all, tracks, really? Y'all know y'all could have put more hair on this unit. Like, really? Anyways, honey, carry on. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. I always get questions about, you know, stuff that I put on the wigs and stuff, the little hair jewelry. I always get them from my local beauty supply store. I got these not from my local beauty supply store. I actually got these from Hoover. If you live in Alabama or you're near Hoover, I got them off the big beauty supply store that's on Lorna Road. Like, if you know, you know, whatever. That's where I got them from. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Help to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.